Hey Mother Nature, it's for you. In your lap, my soul finds peace. Your serenity makes my vision clear and fresh. The crack of the noon, with crimson in the sky, resembles the color of life. The breeze from you make the body and soul cool and blissful. The purity of your crystal blue resembles the symbol of life and tells us the story of ancient history. Mother Nature, life relies on you, and you are the symbol of hope. The water tells your story, and the sky sings about you in harmony. All the direction directs humanity towards the blissful and harmonious Mother. The flow of the river is a symbol of the flow of life. The setting of the sun is a symbol of a better tomorrow. Mother Nature, we are so grateful for the greens and the blues and the air that we share. You take care for all of us, everything and everyone. Let life bless us with your remembrance. The flow of time is so ironic. It's ironic to the flow of human civilization. May this generation take care of you, and I pray that you too protect your children. Give them peace, happiness, tranquility. Let us all pause and appreciate you, Mother, all that you have blessed us with, and all that we can do as per our capacity to bring Lawrence and happiness to you, Mother.